Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Carrot254 Foodie. So today I'll be showing you how to make a simple bread just using a charcoal oven. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. So the first thing that we'll be doing today, we'll be adding 150 ml of warm milk, and then also from adding the warm milk we shall be adding dry yeast, that is 2.5 teaspoons of dry yeast, and then we shall mix together and let it dissolve very well. After the mixture has dissolved very well, we shall also add wheat flour, and then we shall mix this mixture until it is well incorporated. To this mixture we shall also be adding just 1 egg. Here we shall also add just a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and we shall also add 50 grams of sugar to this mixture, and from here we shall be kneading it very well. To the dough we shall also add 2 tablespoons of melted butter, and then we shall knead very well. So from here we shall transfer our dough into a flat surface, and then we shall be able to stretch and knead the dough very well until all the ingredients are well incorporated. After kneading very well, we shall transfer our dough into a clean bowl, and then we shall cover it for 30 minutes and then leave it in a warm place until it becomes double in size. After the dough has risen, we shall put the dough into a small bowl, and then we shall divide it into 4 equal parts so that we can get the same sizes of breads. Here we shall dust our pan with a little butter so that it doesn't stick to the pan when the bread is being baked. Here we shall roll the dough, and then we shall cut it into small pieces, and then we shall be able to roll them into round equal shapes and put them inside the baking tin. After dividing the dough into equal parts, we shall cover it and leave it to rest for 25 minutes. Then we shall bake. So when you want to bake, you make sure that you put a little bit salt on the downer side of the baking tin and a stone, and then now you can be able to put your breads, and then on top of it you can also put a little charcoal on the upper pan so that the bread can be baked on both sides, the lower side and also on the upper side. After 30 minutes of baking, you can see our breads. Wow, they've turned out so well. They are very brown in color and they're soft and fluffy. So we're just going to remove it and place it aside and let it cool for a few minutes. So here we are going to dust our bread with a little bit of butter so that it doesn't make it dry on top. It will make it more fluffy and soft. So here, after the bread has cooled, we are also going to remove it from the pan, and then we are going to put it in a plate, and you can see it is well baked and it is still intact and very nice color, and also it is very soft. So here I couldn't wait any longer, so I had to take the chance and just start eating the bread. It is very soft and very fluffy. As you can see, it is just stretching on its own. So kindly guys, try it and you shall tell me what you think about it. Thank you.